I have a very long alley. It's about 25 meters. Yan. Actually, pagka dito po, kasya rito yung 6 na sasakyan pag mula doon papunta rito. Kasya yung 6. So, there you go. Ito yung ano, meron kaming pool with jacuzzi. Yan. So, next day ho yung blessing. So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng tour sa ground floor. This is the ground floor. Kung makikita nyo. I had billiard table. Okay. And this is the... Alright. This is Casper's room. And a lavatory. Let's go. This is my wine cellar. As you see. This is my mini bar. And of course, here is the kusina. Hindi pa medyo tapos. Ito the kusina. Ayan. And this is the dirty kitchen. And that door is a maid's room. That door is a maid's room. And of course, okay, open mo, Casper. Ito po ang aming, and this is the stair. So, medyo marami pang gumagawa doon at hindi pa tapos. This is my dining. Yan. So, I have a 12-seater. So, binigyan ko lang muna kayo ng idea kung anong klase. Ito yung aming ihawan dito sa ground floor. So, yan. Mamaya magpapaihaw ako dyan. At alam mo naman si Manang Casper ay